It's Tuesday 18th February, and the markets ended the session with slight losses. Market breadth remained weak, with declines outpacing advances by a wide margin. Let's dive into today's key market highlights. The Nifty slipped 14 points to close at 22,945, while the Sensex ended 29 points lower at 75,967. Market breadth remained weak, with 2,916 stocks declining and only 1,040 advancing. Auto, FMCG, and consumer durables faced selling pressure, losing 0.5 to 1.4%. On the upside, IT, metal, and oil and gas stocks managed modest gains of 0.2 to 0.9%. NTPC, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, ONGC, and Apollo Hospital led the gains in today's session, providing some support to the indices. On the flip side, IndusInd Bank, Trent, Bharat Electronics, Ultratech Cement, and M&M were among the top losers, dragging the market lower. The rupee closed weaker at 86.95 per dollar, down 0.1%, amid dollar demand from NDF maturities and weak regional peers. RBI intervention limited losses, but $12 billion in FII outflows kept pressure on the currency. The IPO of Quality Power Electrical was 90% subscribed by 11:30 a.m. on its final day, 18th February. The company aims to raise 858.70 crore rupees, with the retail segment subscribed 1.33 times and non-institutional investors at 1.18 times. The qualified institutional buyers portion is 62% subscribed. Indian bond yields remained steady on Tuesday, with the 10-year yield at 6.6933%, almost unchanged from the previous close. Investors are focusing on an upcoming state debt auction to gauge market appetite, as the debt market will be closed on Wednesday for a local holiday. The broader markets underperformed the benchmarks today. The Nifty Mid-Cap 100 slipped 0.2%, while the Small-Cap 100 dropped 1.59%. The decline in small-cap stocks highlights cautious investor sentiment, with broader market weakness weighing on participation. Gold prices extended their gains, rising 0.5% to $2,910 an ounce as tariff uncertainties under U.S. President Donald Trump fueled safe haven demand. Central bank buying and potential supply shortages in Europe added to the rally. GlaxoSmithKline's stock surged 17% on 18th February, extending its rally for the third day. The jump follows a strong Q3 report, with a 400% rise in net profit to 230 crore rupees and an 18% increase in revenue to 949.42 crore rupees. The stock has gained over 36% in 2 days, driven by robust growth in its respiratory and vaccine segments. Gillette India shares jumped 14% to 8,549 rupees and 80 paise after a strong Q3 report and a 65 rupee dividend announcement. Net profit rose 21% to 125.97 crore rupees, and revenue grew 7.3% to 685.55 crore rupees. The stock closed 10.44% higher at 8,229 rupees and 85 paise. NSE's valuation surged 201% in 2024, reaching 4.7 lakh rupees crore, according to a recent report. The exchange, which is preparing for its IPO and has applied for approval from SEBI, has become the 10th most valuable private company in India, as per the 2024 Burgundy Private Hurun India 500 list. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.